Hello, Park Avenue friends. I was about to make some baked oatmeal and I thought maybe we could film it and you could cook along with me if you'd like. So today it's called banana chocolate chip baked oatmeal. I found the recipe on therealfoods.com, which I'll try and get you the link to it too if you want to follow the actual recipe. But the first and funnest part of this, we get to mash 3 bananas. So I have this fun tool. So I use this to mash up the bananas, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. It's gonna get really squishy and gooey. Okay, so that's the first part. Then you also want to, with the help of a grown-up, set your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, and the next step says we need 1.5 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. So here's my cinnamon. I'm going to get my teaspoon. I'm going to use a 1/2 teaspoon. We need 1.5, so I'm going to do 3 scoops of this for 1.5 teaspoons. All right. So got 1. Spread it all around. 2. That makes 1 teaspoon. And then 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. Yum. Next is 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And they say this is optional. You don't have to add the nutmeg. It's whatever you like. So now I have a 1/4 teaspoon. Done. And then we need our 1/2 teaspoon again for baking soda. Okay, so then we need the baking soda. You probably already have this in your house. And it's a 1/2 teaspoon. Spread that all around. Half a teaspoon of sea salt, or if you don't have sea salt, you can just use regular salt. That. And then we need 1 egg. That's the fun part too. Here we go. Scrape that all in there. Good. All right. So then it's kind of all in a big lump, if you can see it. So I like to spread it out so it's more even. Just to give it a little shimmy too. And there's our beautiful, oh, sorry. Try it again. Here's our beautiful oatmeal. And with the help of your grown-up, you can put the oatmeal in your oven. Sorry, technical difficulties. There we go. Put it in the oven. I like to put it in the middle rack. And then it says to bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. So I'm going to set my timer and I will pull it out and I will show you the finished product. And I hope you had fun cooking with me today, and I will see you soon. Alright, so the alarm went off and it's time to take the oatmeal out of the oven. So I have my handy mitts, and remember, have a grown-up do this part if you're at home. And we're going to take out the oatmeal. Oh, it smells so good. Look at that. I can't wait to eat it. Yum. I'm going to put it there to cool. And remember to shut off your oven. Ah, there we go. It was really fun baking with you. I hope you had fun too, and let me know how it tastes.